Hello, my dear friends. I am P.S. Srijit from 6th B.
Today's treasure is flexibility.
Flexibility is the ability to adapt new situations, accept changes, and adjust our thoughts or actions when needed. A flexible person is not rigid. They know how to bend without breaking, like a tree that saves in the wind. The measure of intelligence is the ability to change, said by Albert Einstein. Tips for having flexibility are: first, practice mindfulness. Stay present and focused to adapt to changing situations. Second, be open to feedback. Use feedback as an opportunity to learn and adjust. Third, embrace uncertainty. View uncertainty as an opportunity for growth and learning. Here's a real life story of Thomas Edison describing flexibility. Thomas Edison, the famous inventor of the electric bulb, showed through flexibility in his journey. When his lab caught fire and many years of work were destroyed, his son was worried that Edison would be heartbroken. Instead, Edison calmly said, "Thank God, all our mistakes were burned. Now we can start fresh again." Instead of clinging to the past, Edison adapted to the situation. His flexible mindset helped him rebuild and go on to make even greater inventions. Flexibility is not about avoiding difficulties, it is about facing them with an open mind and adjusting our path. Like Edison, flexible people turn setbacks into new beginnings. Benefits of flexibility are better posture and balance, reduces stiffness, and keeps the body aligned. Prevents injuries, flexible muscles and joints are less likely to strain. Improves athletic performance, enhances range of motion and movement efficiency, reduces muscle tension. My dear friends, flexibility is strength. Life often brings changes, and only those who adapted can overcome challenges. Being flexible does not mean giving up your values. It means adjusting wisely to grow and survive. Now it's question time. And today's question is: what did Edison say when his lab caught fire? Stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you.